app that I'm trying out, CloutZap. It's pretty cool. I'm doing really well with it. I got 664 in earnings this week. Did a couple of different tasks. It's pretty straightforward. You just choose which ones you want to do. You could download different apps, and then they give you instructions. You can complete a survey, post on social media. So if you do like a survey, this is where you make most of the money, like $140 for each one of these, so it's pretty good. I mean, some of them are easy, some of them are difficult, like this one here, Public, is easy. Basically just signing up for their app after you install it and opening up an account. And same thing with iHeartRadio, which I've done. I did a bingo one too. But yeah, you could just see how much you can earn with these different things. So I think downloading the apps, these are only $50 maybe. Um, these are the tasks. Okay, so it's the same thing, app tasks. Surveys, post on social media here, these are only like 45, $50, $80, $10. But still, easy to do, in your spare time. And quick way to make money. And then the way you transfer that money is basically you just set up a PayPal account. So you could just choose, how you want your payments to be withdrawn. So you could just hit withdraw. And it gives you a summary. And that's it. You just choose PayPal to withdraw it. But here's the one caveat is that they'll give you $35 for when you join, but you have to earn $100. So you earn $100, and then you'll be able to withdraw your first $100. That includes a $35. So that's the only caveat that I saw. After that, you don't have to make $100 in order to withdraw. So give it a try. I think you'll like it. It's interesting at times, a little frustrating at other times, but nevertheless, it's all good. And it's an easy way to make money on your side hustle. Okay, take care.